Welcome back. This week, I have one illustration. When I started it, I had the intent to spend less than 90 seconds on it, but that 90 minutes turned into 4 hours. I had a vague idea of what I wanted when I started, and overall, I think I achieved that original vision. Is it cool? You decide. Let me know in the comments. If you're in a hurry and you want the TLDR, here's the end result. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments below, but the rest of the video is a time lapse. So if you don't care how I got to the end result, you can quit watching here. Maybe like the video before you leave or subscribe.